So we want to automatically add up any data we have here. We're doing some inventory here, and we just want a total inventory. Now we could just do sum of all of this, get sure it's the second row. And if we copy paste this down, it's fine, right? Until we get to zeros. Now, maybe we don't want zeros here. Maybe we want to have the number, add these all up, but only show something when it's above 0. So what we could do here is if sum is equal to 0, then that value we will just say nothing, and we'll put literally nothing here. We'll just put another comma. And then after that other comma, we'll put the sum. So we'll say, basically, if it's not 0, actually just give us the sum. So now we copy paste, and we see that there are blank rows here of total inventory. Now that keeps our data clean because now we don't have just zeros here. If we start adding 5, 6, there we go. It's automatically adding up our numbers here and only showing a number when we actually have data here. Hopefully that was really cool for you. Enjoy that. Check out some other videos. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.